Hey guys, today I want to be talking about a very powerful tool that can be used to scalp during the cryptocurrency bull run or even the bear market. This tool is used by a lot of hedge funds and is used in a lot of research papers to time entry and exit on short time frame scalps. Although it can be used on longer time frames, it's extremely powerful and is very underrated. You can see here that it's been used to forecast Bitcoin prices in a very academic and quant setting. Hedge funds tend to use this tool, and therefore I'll be explaining why it's so effective and how you can use it in your scalp trades. The tool is called linear regression. Now, linear regression is a model that tries to relate a scalar response to a dependent variable, meaning it tries to relate a dependent and a non-dependent variable, usually an input and an output. It's used in machine learning and can also be used in trading. The first thing you want to do, this is what it looks like, and I'll be showing you how to get these settings as well. So let's exit these. The first thing you want to do in your trading view platform is you want to select a time frame for any type of currency. Now, if the currency keeps going up and down and has a kind of like sideways push, this tool will be very effective. It's mainly used in Forex, but can very much be applied to crypto. Although do use it with care and make sure you use your other indicators and do your own research before you use it. So if we go on here and type in linear regression, we get the default setting, right? And here we can see the settings for it. Now, on our inputs, we have the upper deviation and lower deviation. These are how much. So when I was talking about the dependent variable and the independent variable and the relation between them, you can put a deviation between them, right? Now what I like to do is the standard deviation tends to map out the movement of the currency coin. However, I like to add my own one on top, so I add it twice, and on the third one I like to put a 3 standard deviation. The 3 standard deviation accounts for erratic price movements that's unaccounted for by volume. Although this can be easily overcome, and I'll show you some examples where this wouldn't work, it tends to map out erratic price movements. So if we edit these and we just style it up a little bit, so let's do this one, we do that, and let's put some dotted lines. There we go. So now, when we are on the lower time frame, what you can do is when it moves to the lower channels, you can enter in a trade, and when it moves to the erratic towards the upper channel, you can exit a trade. This is very effective on the lower time scale, and the price channel tends to move within them. You can see that the linear regression has already mapped out a relationship of the price movement, and it tends to go up. But if we make it a higher time frame, you can also do this. But of course, on a higher time frame, it might not be as effective. On the 1 hour time frame, there might be a delay between the price movement. You can use this tool on any type of trading pair you like. I like to use it on a trading pair that's quite sideways. And remember, the 3 standard deviation is for erratic price movements, as you can see here. Now, if we go to any one other than this, so for example this one, we can see here with a coin that has suddenly a lot of volume, the price tends to increase quite a lot, but it's amazing at even exiting and entering trades. But please be careful in using this and make sure you use your other tools. This can be a very powerful tool, especially now because the market is at a dip. If you want to do some scalp trades on the lower time frame and get those 1 to 2% increases, it's a very powerful tool. Hedge funds tend to use this for their algorithm bots, and it's a very powerful tool in terms of exiting and entering, so I highly recommend using this type of tool. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll be releasing more videos and lessons hopefully in the future about the tools I use and that you can use for crypto trading. Please stay subscribed, and yeah, thank you so much for watching.